The GoPro MAX 2 is the long-awaited successor to the original GoPro MAX, designed for creators who want to capture everything around them without limit. Moving beyond the 5.6K of the original, the MAX 2 targets 8K 360 video, allowing for much sharper, reframed, 1080p or 4K traditional video. This is the gold standard of stabilization. No matter how much the camera flips, shakes, or rolls, the horizon stays perfectly level and the footage remains buttery smooth. Captures everything in a spherical view so you can shoot first and point later. Use a single lens for traditional wide-angle action shots with unbreakable stabilization. With 6 built-in microphones, you can actually tell the camera to prioritize audio from the front, back, or all around you. It effectively acts as its own shotgun mic. Even if the camera mounted sideways or spinning 360 degrees, the linear plus horizon leveling keeps your footage perfectly upright and stable. The MAX 2 is designed to work wirelessly with your phone. You can use Viewfinder to reframe your videos,